Oh, ano bro? Kumusta? Parang kang binagyo dyan ah. Ano ba gusto mo? Pagkain? Anong gusto mo? Lechong manok? Baboy? Lechong manok? Lechong baboy? Lechong baka? Lechong bayawak? Lechong buhaya? O gusto mo ano? Sinigang? O pinikpikang manok? Pinikpikang balot? Pinikpikang tilapia? O kagdaletang itik? O baka naman meron ka pang ibang hinihintay. Sabihin mo, gusto mo, siyang maglutuin natin, siyang pagdalhin natin dito. Baka meron ka pang hinihintay. O ito, sige, kung meron ka hinihintay, ito, panoorin mo.
Hi, darling. Surprise! I was grabbed by 4 paparazzi. That is why I'm here. And I was sworn to secrecy, not to tell you anything. Sabi nila, dapat magsinungaling ako. Ewan ko kung natuto ko. Pag natuto ko, sila sisihin mo, ha? Yung 4 na yun, kilala mo na kung sino yun, mga media ministry men. These people love you so much, and I believe all the others who greeted you ahead of me, they love you so much. That is why they're doing these things for you. They just want to create a wonderful memory for you, and I want to be part of it. And actually, I'm so excited na I'm so blessed kasi naisip nila ito. Darling, there are so many things that I really want to thank the Lord because of you. A big chunk or a big part of the Samors in my life took place when I came to know you and when we got married. Siguro, I should name a few things na very thankful ako about you. First, hindi ka na masyado makulit. Hindi ka na rin masyado nandadaya sa mga pagkain mo, sa takal ng pagkain. Hindi ka na rin masyado, hindi ka masyado makulit na, hindi ka na masyado masungit kay Pastor Wes. Hindi ka na rin masyado nang aasar. Kasi minsan nang-aasar ka mga 24 hours a day, mga 34 times. Darling, pero na-enjoy ko lahat yun. It became part of the joys and laughter in my life. Pag dumadating tayo sa bahay, walang nag-welcome sa atin, pero bigla kang papasok ng pinto para unahan mo ko para may mag-welcome sa akin sa bahay. These are the things that they don't know. Kasi yung iba, pagdating sa bahay, may nag-welcome sa kanilang mga anak, may mga kasama sa bahay, to see them home, to welcome them back. Pero tayong lagi naman tayo magkasama pag uwi naman natin. Unahan mo sa pinto para i-welcome mo ako sa bahay. Those are sweetest things na nate-treasure ko talaga. Mayroong mga bagay na hindi nila alam, hindi nila nararanasan. Pero kung nakaka-experience. And siguro, yun yung mga bagay na talagang very thankful ako. Alam mo, darling, dun sa ministry, nag-surpass yung nangyari ngayon na dream ko for my spiritual life. And that is because of you. I cannot attribute it to my own doings. Kasi alam ko, ikaw yung binigay talaga ng Lord para mangyari yun. Well, I believe this segment ought to be short. And I need to cut it short kasi papunta pa kami ng Divisoria today. But, darling, I just want you to know that I love you and I keep falling in love with you over and over again kahit makulit ka. Sorry din, minsan ako naman yung makulit tsaka masungit. Sorry kasi minsan hindi ako nagiging best partner. Sorry kasi minsan maraming shortcomings talaga. Pero I just pray na you will find it in your heart to forgive my shortcomings. Darling, this is the most coveted position, my position in this church as your wife, as your partner. And I decided na i-guard ito mabuti para wag ako manakawan ng joy. Dahil ito yung best part at best position na pwedeng kalagyan ng isang babaeng katulad ko. Thank you very much and I love you. God bless. Happy birthday! Oh, by the way, 47 ka na, 3 to gold. Darling, pagdating ng 50th, ha? Ikaw naman ang magganito sa kanila. Ako cameraman mo, ako paparazzi mo. Call. God bless. I love you.
From the media ministry. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pastor Robert.